I'm Dr. Ken Tombley. Today's topic is dealing with the whiny why. Now, this is not the curiosity why of early childhood, like why is the sky blue? Why do dogs have four legs? Or where do babies come from? This is the why that really is a challenge. Your kid has now decided they're going to require you to convince them that your instruction is valid. It really is an argumentative position that your child is taking, a challenge to your authority. So here's the tip. You control the why questions. They ask why with your consent. Now I'm going to give you a couple statements that kind of practice this tip in conversation. Notice that each of these responses to your child's argumentative whiny why has a statement part to it and a question that allows the kid to turn the negative to a positive. So here's some examples of how you might respond to that whiny why. Caleb, you may ask permission to ask why. Do you want to ask permission? Caleb, you don't have permission to ask why. Do you have a real why question? Caleb, it's my decision if I explain why. Can you follow my instructions first? Caleb, your question why is an argument, not a question. Do you have a real question? Caleb, are you challenging my decision or trying to understand? Caleb, your question why is badgering, and badgering is manipulative. Do you have a real question? Caleb, if you have new information for me, you may make an appeal. Do you want to make an appeal? Now, the appeal is a whole nother tip we'll give to you later. So you control permission about asking why, and you have to confront those whys that are masking really rebellion. So why do we do it this way? Well, as parents, you do need to provide a moral reason for why you make decisions. That's how we develop moral decision making in our children. So we need to have good answers when there really is a question. Secondly, arguing and badgering is disrespectful. It's manipulative. It's a poor social pattern. It also breeds a rebellious heart. You have to identify and label this behavior when it's masquerading as a question. Stop the manipulation so that the real questions can get real answers. And lastly, your child needs to be teachable. And there's no teachability when they don't know how to yield to authority. So that's the tip. Parents, control the why. Give it a try and let me know how it's going.